Hey producers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coinx and you're welcome to CoinxDaProducer. Today we are diving into the world of resonance suppression, and this is actually the part 2 to the series I just started, which is free alternatives to paid plugins. So if you've heard of Soothe2 by Oeksound, you know it is a game changer for taming harsh frequencies, but it is not exactly budget friendly, it's expensive. So what if I told you there are free alternatives that can give you close to that polished sound you get with Soothe2? Let's explore them. Before we jump straight into the list, let's talk about Soothe2 for those who don't know. Soothe2 is renowned for its ability to dynamically suppress resonant frequencies, making mixes smoother and more pleasant to the ear. It's especially useful on vocals, guitars, and other instruments that can have harsh overtones. So in a situation where you're working on a project and there is a lot of high frequency, it is highly recommended to use something that has the capability to dynamically control certain frequency you want to go for. And the best tool for that is Soothe2. We'll be starting with TDR Nova by TDR Labs. This is a dynamic equalizer that allows precise control over frequency bands. And looking at the features it came with, dynamic EQ with multi-band capabilities, real-time spectrum analyzer, wide range of filter types. TDR Nova offers dynamic processing similar to Soothe2, allowing you to target and reduce problematic frequencies effectively. So let's check it out. The next free alternative is Vastos by Wavegroove. This one is also a dynamic resonance suppressor designed for vocals. Looking at the features, you can see the simple interface with essential controls, dynamic processing tailored for vocal frequencies. Why it's also a great alternative, it provides an easy-to-use solution for reducing harshness in vocals, making it a valuable tool for producers on a budget. So let's check it out.
To my heart, 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 to my heart.
Now the next on the list is Nova 67P by Sound. It is a parallel parametric equalizer combined with a compressor. It came with full band and split band compression modes, a dynamic EQ capabilities. It is also a good alternative because it offers flexibility in dynamic processing, allowing for detailed control over frequency content. Let's put it to work and hear it in action. Last but not the least is Floral Light by Bristol. This one is a lightweight dynamic EQ and resonance suppressor. It came with simple GUI with essential controls as you can see on the screen, and it is designed for quick and effective resonance suppression, which is also a good alternative. Let's hear it in action. Alright, that will be it for the demonstration. After testing these plugins, for me, TDR Nova stands out as the most versatile and powerful free alternative to Soothe2. Its dynamic EQ capabilities and real-time analysis make it a must-have in any producer's toolkit. But don't take it for what I'm saying, I'll be leaving their links in the description. Try them out and also let us know what you think about them. With tools like TDR Nova, you can achieve professional quality mixes without spending a dime. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more free alternatives to paid plugins for music production. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.